Hello friends, today's topic mutual funds purchased and sold the following stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. The month of December 2024 was another negative month for the Indian markets. The Nifty 50 index was down around 2%. FIs continue to sell Indian stocks on a net basis worth around 17,000 crores, while DIIs continue to be net buyers worth 34,200 crores. There has been a lot of activity in mutual funds since DIIs were buying many new stocks and completely exiting some stocks. In many occasions, whatever stocks mutual funds buy may not immediately perform well in the stock market. However, after some time, they suddenly start doing well when other investors see the opportunity. We have compiled a list of stocks which mutual funds freshly bought and completely exited in December 2024. Top 3 stocks bought and sold by SBI Mutual Fund in December 2024. Fresh buy Tata Elxsi, CG Power, Mangalore Chemicals. Complete exit JM Financials, Shakti Pumps, Bajaj Housing Finance. Now top 3 stocks bought and sold by ICICI Mutual Fund in December 2024. Fresh buy Cholamandalam Investment, PG Electroplast, VCVS India. Complete exit Bajaj Housing Finance, Aditya Birla's AMC, Vijay Diagnostic Center. HDFC Mutual Fund in December 2024, fresh buy Home First Finance, complete exit Angel One. Top 3 stocks bought and sold by Nippon Mutual Fund in December 2024, Escorts Kubota, fresh buy Marico, Mazagon Docs. Complete exit Nestle India, Macrotech Developers, Nalco. Top 3 stocks bought and sold by Kotak Mutual Fund in December 2024, fresh buy Nuama Wealth, PG Electroplast, Yatharth Hospital, complete exit Pratap Snacks, UTI AMC, Nalco. Top 3 stocks bought and sold by UTI Fund in December 2024, fresh buy Blue Jet Healthcare and sale, complete exit E-Clerk Services, Titaga Railway Systems, Bajaj Consumer Care. SIP ಮತ್ತು SWP ಚಮತ್ಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ YouTube live discussion for all channel members on 21st January Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. If you have stocks which mutual funds are completely exited, it may be a cause for concern or you may need to study them deeply to know whether to hold or sell. Similarly, if you hold stocks which are part of the fresh buys of many mutual funds, then it's an encouraging sign for the stock markets. End of the video, here is the question. Which stock currently has highest weightage in Nifty 50 index? There are 4 choices: A. Reliance Industries, B. Infosys, C. HDFC Bank, and D. TCS. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.